Right, I have to crank.
No.
What have I got to do? Crank you into bed?
Yeah.
Crank.
No.
Crank, crank,
No,
crank,
no,
crank,
no.
crank, crank. You run out. Junk, 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 junk. Go on. Yes, I made it. I cranked her into bed. Can I crank you into speaking? Crank, 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 crank. Say hello, everyone. You have to, because I cranked you.
No, you can't.
Why?
Because you have to press button and you speak.
All right, there you go then. Boop, boop, boop. Hello, everyone.
That was the wrong button.
Was it? Okay. Boop, 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 boop.
No,
Boop.
buttons.
Show me which one.
This one.
That's your talking button. Hello, everyone.
You have to
You're
speak.
broken.
You have to speak me up.
I can't. I'm not speaking you up. I can speak your things up because they haven't got their big own voices. You have. I don't speak you up. You already speak. I don't need to speak you up. You speak. A lot.
Bella,
Yeah.
do you want to see Jumpy or the mermaid? Or
No, because I'm so tired. I'm going to sleep now. Night, night. Love you.
Me.
Bye. Let Bella go to sleep. She's very tired. Mummies don't wake their babies up, you know.
Oh.
They just don't do that. Right. So night, night, everyone.
Goodbye, baby, in the tree nest. Oh, goodbye, baby.
Yes, that's what they do. That's much better. Right. So night, night, everyone. See you tomorrow. Have a lovely evening, whatever you're doing.
Bye.
All that. Be Sarah. No. You're mental.